Have your legs ever felt so weak that even climbing a few stairs feels like running a marathon? What if I told you that one simple fruit, yes, just one fruit you probably already know, could strengthen your legs faster than any expensive supplement or complicated exercise plan? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruit can transform weak, shaky legs into strong, steady ones. As we age, weak legs become one of the biggest silent threats to our independence. Think about it. Our legs are our foundation. When they're weak, everything feels harder. Standing up from a chair, walking across the room, carrying groceries, or even enjoying time with the grandkids. And it doesn't stop there. Weak legs increase the risk of falls, one of the leading causes of injury for seniors. A fall can mean broken bones, long hospital stays, and sometimes never fully recovering your mobility. I've spoken to countless seniors who tell me, "I just don't feel stable anymore. My legs give out too quickly." And the scary part? Many think this is just normal aging. But here's the truth. It's not. Weak legs often have a nutritional root cause. And the good news? There's something surprisingly simple you can do about it. So, what's the secret? It's not a fancy pill, not a complicated workout, and not an expensive powder. It's a fruit you've probably enjoyed your whole life. The humble banana. Yes, bananas hold a secret power for leg strength that most people overlook. Why? Because they're packed with potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and quick energy carbohydrates, all nutrients that directly combat the main causes of weak legs: muscle cramps, fatigue, and poor circulation. And if you're rolling your eyes thinking, "Oh, bananas, that's too simple," stick with me, because in just a minute, I'll break down exactly how bananas rebuild muscle strength, boost energy, and keep your legs firm and steady. Plus, I'll share 4 powerful ways to eat bananas that maximize their benefits for seniors. 1. Bananas recharge your muscles with potassium. One of the biggest reasons legs feel weak, heavy, or cramp easily is a lack of potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that keeps your muscles contracting smoothly. Without enough, your muscles misfire, leading to cramps, spasms, or that dreaded jelly leg feeling. Just one medium banana packs around 450 milliliters of potassium, enough to start restoring balance. Imagine this. Potassium works like a fuel stabilizer. Just as your car engine sputters without proper fuel, your muscles sputter without potassium. That's why athletes are often seen eating bananas on the sidelines. They know it prevents cramping and keeps muscles firing strong. For seniors, this is even more critical. As we age, our bodies naturally lose potassium faster, especially if we take certain medications like diuretics for blood pressure. Adding just one banana a day can dramatically reduce cramps and restore leg stability. 2. Bananas fight fatigue with natural sugars. Have you ever stood up, walked a few steps, and instantly felt drained, as if all your energy disappeared? That's leg fatigue, and often it's because your muscles lack quick fuel. Bananas provide natural glucose, fructose, and sucrose, fast-acting sugars that give your legs the instant energy they need. Unlike candy or soda, this energy doesn't spike and crash. The fiber in bananas slows the release, giving you steady, lasting fuel. Think of it like this. Eating a banana before your morning walk is like charging your phone battery from 30% to 80% in just a few minutes. Your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more energized to carry you through the day. 3. Bananas protect your muscles with magnesium and vitamin B6. Bananas don't just stop cramps. They also prevent long-term muscle breakdown. They're rich in magnesium, which helps relax tight muscles after use, and vitamin B6, which supports protein metabolism. Here's why this matters. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This is why some seniors feel like their legs are shrinking or getting thinner. By giving your body the raw materials, like magnesium and B6, bananas actually help you preserve and rebuild muscle tissue. So instead of feeling weaker each year, you can slow down and even reverse the decline in leg strength. 4. The best ways to eat bananas for strong legs. Now you might be wondering, do I just grab a banana and eat it as is? You can, of course. But here are 4 powerful ways to use bananas to maximize their leg-strengthening benefits. 1. Morning energy kick. Eat a ripe banana with a handful of nuts before your daily walk. The combo of carbs and protein fuels your muscles and prevents mid-walk crashes. 2. Banana smoothie. Blend 1 banana with milk or almond milk, a spoon of peanut butter, and a dash of cinnamon. This gives you potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all in 1 glass. 3. Banana and oats. Breakfast. Slice a banana over warm oatmeal. The fiber keeps you full. The potassium strengthens your muscles, and the oats provide slow-burning energy. 4. Nighttime muscle relaxer. If you often get leg cramps at night, eat half a banana an hour before bed. The potassium and magnesium help your muscles relax, reducing those painful nighttime spasms. Small, simple changes like this can make a huge difference. Remember, potassium works best when you're properly hydrated. If you eat bananas but don't drink enough water, the benefits are limited. Think of potassium and water like dance partners. They need each other to keep your muscles in rhythm. So every time you eat a banana, pair it with a glass of water. Your legs will thank you. So, the next time your legs feel shaky, tired, or crampy, don't rush for a pill. Just reach for a banana. It's affordable, natural, and proven to restore leg strength from the inside out. And this is just the beginning. On this channel, we uncover simple, powerful ways for seniors to stay strong, independent, and full of energy, without gimmicks or expensive products. If you found this helpful, tap the subscribe button and turn on the bell, so you never miss a life-changing tip. And before you go, don't stop here. Watch my next video where I reveal the 5 best exercises to instantly strengthen weak legs. Pair those with bananas, and you'll feel like you've turned back the clock. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used bananas to stop muscle cramps or weakness? Or is there another fruit that works wonders for your legs? Share your experience in the comments. I'll be reading and replying.